Olive Video Editor is a free video editing application that can be installed on Windows. In this video, I will show you how to download and install it on your PC. So open any web browser of your choice. Go to the search box, type Olive Video Editor and hit enter. From search results, click on the first result from olivevideoeditor.org. At this moment, there is no download page available on the website. We will download Olive Video Editor from GitHub. So go ahead and click on this link. This will lead you to the latest released version of Olive Video Editor. And as you can see, there are different downloads available depending on your operating system. But for Windows users, simply click on Executable option. The installer will then be downloaded and saved to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Then double-click on Installer to launch the installation setup. When Windows displays Windows Protected Your PC message, click on More Info, then select Run Anyway to continue with the installation. On the welcome screen, click on Next. Read the license agreement, then click I agree. The default installation path is fine, so simply click on Next. Make sure all the required components are selected, then click Install. The installation will begin. Just wait for the process to complete. Once installation is complete, a shortcut icon will be added to your desktop. So click on Next button. If you want to launch the application immediately, leave this box checked, then click on Finish. Olive Video Editor is now ready to use, and you can start editing your videos with the software. So this is how you can download and install Olive Video Editor on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.